Are you sure? Are you certain? Is it true or not? Is it real or fantasy? What have you really got? Today, we will look at the uses of yes, maybe, and no. In any language, it is important to know what a person thinks and how they view things by listening to their opinions. The simplest way of observing this is to see how they use the following words. Yes is to be certain. You are sure. You know that thing is real. You are positive that you are correct. To agree with something normally means yes, I agree with you. Yes, you are right. Yes, it is true. If you want to show that you agree with something, you will say yes. To allow something to happen also means yes. You agree to do something. You agree to allow something. You express the affirmative. You say yes. If you want to express the feeling of being unsure or uncertain about something, then you will say maybe. You don't know. You are unsure. You don't have all the information, so it is hard to make a clear choice. Something might happen, or it might not. Maybe it will. Maybe it won't. We can also use perhaps as a way of expressing uncertainty. I might not. Perhaps I will. Perhaps I won't. Unsureness can be described as a grey area. To give a definite answer expressing the negative of yes, we will say no. To disagree or decline an offer often means no. You don't want something, or you will not allow something to happen. No is always the negative. To refuse something is to say no. To express disbelief can be shown by saying no way. To firmly refuse or push away something can also be expressed by using no. To express nothing can also relate to no. There is no chance. There are no opportunities. There are no people here. Yes is positive. It shows agreement and sureness. Perhaps is maybe. It expresses unsureness. No is negative. It expresses refusal, rejection, or the absence of something.